Girls, it's Mrs. Paddock. Today I'm going to talk to you about 2D shapes. This week, one of your assessments you're going to be doing says at the top, 2D shapes artwork by, and you're going to write your name. I, of course, wrote Mrs. Paddock. Don't write Mrs. Paddock, right, or else I'll keep yours. But we're just going to do some 2D shapes, and it's just going to be artwork that you're going to do. But let's try and remember what our 2D shapes are. Remember, 2D shapes are flat, they're not round, okay? So we're gonna talk about this shape. It's a circle, right? So we have a circle, and then we have it's got 3 sides, triangle, so we have a triangle. And then we have this shape, all 4 sides are the same, a square. Mm-hmm. And then the last one, 2 sides are long, 2 sides are short. It's called a rectangle. So we have 4 shapes that we're going to be working with. So a circle, triangle, square, and a rectangle. Now for our artwork, you're going to be using these 4 shapes, and you're going to come up with some sort of picture that you are going to do here, okay? And you're going to have in your package, your homework package, a few sheets. I think it's 4 sheets of construction paper, different colors, and you're going to use that construction paper to do your artwork. So I'm going to do an piece of artwork right now with these 4 shapes. You can copy me, that's totally fine, or you can come up with your own picture using these 4 shapes, okay? So for my artwork, I'm going to do a rocket ship, okay? A rocket ship. And I'm going to do it like this. So I need to think about a rocket ship. I think the body of the rocket ship reminds me of a rectangle. Yeah. So I'm going to use my pen, but you're probably going to use a pencil. And on my construction paper, I'm going to draw my rectangle. So I want to make sure it's big enough. So I'm going to go down like this and then across. So that's pretty good.
That's pretty good,
right?
yeah.
I'm going to take my scissors, because that's the biggest part of it, isn't it? So I'm going to cut.
Then you're going to cut it out like
cut it
that.
out, right? As nicely as you can. So there's my rectangle, right? Now you can use this construction paper again for some other project. So I'm going to put it like this so you can see. So there's going to be my rocket ship here. Now usually a rocket ship has some sort of pointed part. I think I'm going to put a triangle as my pointed part, okay? So right here is going to be my triangle. So let's see, I'm going to try and draw a triangle. Remember, it's got 3 sides, and I think that might be pretty good, okay? And I'm going to see if it fits pretty good here. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. So now I'm going to cut it out.
Just like this.
Okay, reuse that. So here's my triangle.
Oops.
1, 2, 3. And I think my triangle is going to go at the top of my rocket ship like that. Okay. Now, so I have my rectangle, I have my triangle, but I'm still missing 2 shapes. Okay. So maybe I'm going to do a circle to get into my rocket ship, or be for example, maybe I need, like, you know how you can see out of
like a window?
Like a window. That's it, Frankie, a window. Maybe I'm going to use circle. So I'm going to do a circle like that. Not very nice, but I'm going to put that part to the back so you won't even see it. So I'm just going to do a circle, okay? As best as I can there. And remember, it goes round a circle. There's no sides, are there, right? It's just round. Okay, it's pretty
So
good.
now you have a rectangle, a triangle, and a circle.
So maybe up here or down here, I don't know, right here maybe, I'm going to put it there. Now, okay, now I need a square, don't I?
We're right here.
Square, okay.
What
So I need a square.
What
So
could you do?
maybe I'm going to do my square down here as the flames after, okay? So I'm gonna do a square, but a square has to be the same on each side, okay? So we gotta make sure, about right there, that looks about right to me. There's my square, and I'm gonna cut that out, and I'm gonna do that. So there's this part here, down here, and I could even go like this with my pencil so it looks like it's flames kind of coming out, right? Maybe that'd be kind of cool, I guess. And there you have it. Now I'm going to use my glue. I think that looks about right, don't you?
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Pretty good. Okay, so I'm going to glue down my triangle up here. I'm going to glue down the rectangle like that. I'm going to glue down the square like that, and of course my circle. Maybe right there, that's good enough. And maybe I'm going to draw me inside here.
Little person inside the window.
Right. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello. Yay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay. Right, and there's me in my spacesuit, right? And my eyes, yay! Got glasses on though, of course, right? Glasses. There we go. There you go. So there is my artwork, my 2D shaped artwork. So remember, we want 4 2D shapes. So we want a triangle, we want a rectangle, a circle, and a square. So this was mine. I'm going to show you Johnny's. Johnny did his last week. This was Johnny's artwork. And so he did a house, and that was great because you could see he did a triangle, he did a square in here, that's the main body.
He did a
circle, and a rectangle is the door. So perfect, okay? So boys and girls, that's another assessment that you have to do this week, okay? It's pretty easy. Maybe you're gonna do a park, maybe you're gonna do a house, maybe you're gonna do a rocket ship like mine.
Maybe a dog.
You're right, it could be anything, right?
Yep.
So you choose, but you have to do those 4 shapes. So a circle, triangle, a rectangle, and a square. Try and use your construction paper and try and think of something good.
Be
okay?
creative.
Be creative. Don't forget to put your name on it and get your mom and dad to take a picture of you holding it. Please. And then send that to me. Okay? Gotcha? All right. Love you all. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.